WAEC to use drone to send papers to hard to reach areas.
Na the zip line drone no na the question no come mo.
We and someone if WAEC akache. And any day can about Chinese, so don't forget to leave a comment, share your comment section after watching the video. Beka Bushakwe by subscribing to the channel. Me adomano so na Beka Bushakwe. This is a very amazing channel. WAEC, a West African Examination Council, or more activity in same to draw. I'm which more the drones and able deliver a question papers.
I feel so. I am shares in a bear. Questions no be drew.
BECE am from a bit matron a Monday, a starting a Monday. Now I'm which more areas be a hard to reach areas. Just so much more honor hardly say bit medical example. Sibia a quani bu a quani sebebia. So many are better. At the end, what I say, there are some key areas. What I say, honor hardly sell the car, but what the car corner it will delay. What I say, BECE no so it works with time, you know. 80 amuchuma they will be using drone. Now I'm gonna deliver the question papers.
Now the zip line drone no and the question no come more.
Something like what they have been doing with the medicine delivery, you know, they'll be using the zip line. Say first we say we are in a digital world in TCC Ghana we are experiencing a drone using or deliver and draw any mujani issue with drone, what I say, and Sisiano, WAEC, and so etimi afasa kwana so amuchimu last year you see because a front place every number of monetary BECE in show toy ama hono na can't mean call.
Na a year yenu my war and you know fi a was such a front planes so afidano insio etoema a kwaya kohono emse na can't me encobium.
Delay being crown BECE in Kakra and Tiafu in the they are going to use drone. Baby, I had to reach areas area car quan hobertron can't mean corner that they will be using drone. Now I'm gonna deliver these question papers. What do you think about this? This coming from a WAEC. To me, I really feel the vibe very good. You know, a my time. I'm a farmer a bit the leakage of questions and you know all that will be reduced. And then they have really done an amazing job. I'm going to move trousers. Now, buying the Omoka, Basisia, now buying about home wedding. A trace can be so. I was a bomb home wedding. Mama, a smooth BECE at me. I started on the Monday.
Now, a sika salmon so a buying ayadum. O mama 55.873 million. Yede a share and so na yegusu ye share sena beya sikana akano. Aban enso de be mayen na yetumi ede ye juma
na omowi on the Friday what I say. So this is coming from WAEC. This is your favorite boy, Sticky Superstar. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode of videos.